welcome back to my channel. So I forgot to record an intro for this video, so we just gonna get right into it. So when I begin to wash my hair, I just rinse it out for like a while. So I want to rinse out as much excess product as I can. I use a lot of gel when I'm styling my hair throughout the week, so I want to rinse out as much as I can, and then I'll go through with my shampoo 2 times, and then I'll condition and detangle. Another thing I want to say, when I wash my hair, I scratch with my fingernails. A lot of people say you're not supposed to do that, and you're supposed to like scratch your scalp with your fingertips. But if I do that, my scalp is not gonna be clean, because when I put product on my hair, there's a lot of buildup on my scalp, so I'm gonna have to scratch that product out. I'm gonna have to do what I gotta do. So just do what's best for you guys. When I start putting product on my hair for my wash and go, I like to do 3 sections on each side. So I part it down the middle, and then I make 1 section in the back, 1 section in the middle, and 1 section in the front on both sides. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it for my wash and go tutorial. I like to not touch my hair too much and let it dry on its own. I don't like to diffuse my hair. Like, it makes it dry faster, but I prefer to let it air dry and puff it on its own. I appreciate you guys if you made it to this part of the video all the way at the end. Just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we got more videos on the way. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.